It's just not my day. Understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, "It's just not my day." This phrase is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. When someone says, "It's just not my day," they're expressing that things are not going well for them on that particular day. It's a way of saying that they are experiencing bad luck or that several things have gone wrong. Importantly, this phrase is used to talk about minor and temporary setbacks, not serious or long-term problems. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at a few examples. Imagine you spilled your coffee, missed the bus, and then realized you forgot your wallet at home. You might say, "It's just not my day," to sum up how everything seems to be going wrong. If a friend is having trouble finding a document they need for work, and then they get caught in the rain, they might sigh and say, "It's just not my day." These examples show that the phrase is often used to convey a sense of frustration or resignation in the face of multiple small mishaps. Understanding the context in which this phrase is used can help you use it correctly. Here are some key points. It's casual. This phrase is informal and best used in casual conversations. It's sympathetic. You can use it to express sympathy when someone else is having a bad day. For example, "I heard about your day. It's just not your day." It's self-reflective. It can also be used to humorously acknowledge one's own series of unfortunate events. And that's a wrap on the phrase, "It's just not my day." We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what the phrase means, how it's used, and in what contexts it's appropriate. Remember, encountering phrases like this and learning how to use them can greatly improve your fluency and confidence in English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep practicing, and maybe today will be your day after all.